What if I tell you that your entire content strategy is inside Reddit and Twitter thread? In today's video, I'm going to tell you about how businesses can grow using community platforms like Reddit, Quora, Twitter, and even niche specific Discord servers. So without wasting time, let's get into it. The well-planned content that you post on your social is still okay to maintain your brand aesthetics, but to build customer and actual audience, you need to address the actual issues people are having with your brand through your content. So let me break down how to do this. Go to Reddit and search your niche and find subreddits related to that. Now look for the questions, things your audience doesn't understand or need help with. For Twitter, search your product category plus words like why, looking for, or does anyone know. You will find people with real problems. Now one thing to keep in mind while using Reddit is, you can't just drop a link and say check out our product. You will get banned from the subreddit within 48 hours. So what you can do instead is, show up like a person and not a brand. Answer to the questions and add value to your expertise. You can do the same on Twitter as well as Quora. Then comes your second move. Now, you take what you are learning from these communities and build content around it. For example, someone asked why does this happen? And many people are facing the same problem. Then you got your next real idea. If a whole Reddit is about which solution is better for one specific problem, then it can be used as your next blog topic or a YouTube video. You'll know what problems to address because you're reading them yourself. Your content stops being innovative, but at least it's a direct answer to what your audience is already searching for. And that's a win for you. If this was useful, subscribe because we are going to bring more of these social media strategies for you every month. Drop a comment and let me know what niche you are in, and I'll suggest some communities that you can follow. See you in the next one.